Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm over here at Pine Flat Lake. Gonna be attending the CVKF tournament today. I pre-fished 2 days here already. I started off at Lakeview, across Lakeview, did pretty good. Caught a lot of keepers, nothing too impressive. And on the second day, spent a lot more time on Deer Creek, where I saw a lot of big followers on the live scope. So game plan's gonna be just hitting Deer Creek right now, see if I can get those big followers to commit on maybe a drop shot or a micro underspin. And maybe towards later in the day, probably gonna head over to the other side of Lakeview where I caught a lot of those keepers, and hopefully I can just catch a limit today. That's just gonna be the goal, just because Pine Flat's not my confidence lake. You know, I spent a lot more time in Eastman. I brought a micro underspin, jerkbait, drop shot, as well as a crank, and just gonna throw those just because those have been working for me on the last 2 pre-fishing days. But hopefully I can catch on to some big ones as well. It would be pretty awesome, but just gonna try my best also to catch a limit. That's gonna be the goal for today. But anyways, stay tuned, you guys. First fish, let's go. It's a small though. He's a fighter. I think I might be able to boat flip him, honestly. Let's see. No. Come here. All right, boat flip. All right, we got our first fish on the board. I don't have a net, so this is gonna be kind of hard to do. No, he just came off. I should have put it on my lap. That's my mistake. That does not feel good. Oh well. Maybe it wasn't meant to be. Still making mistakes, even after so many tournaments. Oh, even smaller one. No. I don't have a net. I don't have a net. I don't know if he's gonna be keeper though. Let's see. Nope. Under. Alrighty, buddy. Thank you for biting though. Okay, let's try over here. Let's try the bottom stroke. Where it's gonna land. There it is. Okay, that has the bottom. More work away. More back towards us. Okay. Feels like a good one. Keeper? Maybe. Alright, guys. Finally got one that I can freaking score. He's way smaller than my first one that I lost. No one fish is better than none. Alright guys, 12 and a half. Finally took a picture. Oh, cannot make a mistake like that on that first fish. Well, 12 and a half. Our first actual picture fish. Well, our first actual scoreable fish. And I just broke my freaking hook, so gonna have to retie. But yeah, he hit it on the fall apparently. Once it hit, when it's just sitting on the bottom, and he just took it. So it seems like green pumpkin is the sauce right now. Beep. No, I had one. Maybe one on the drop. Man, it's like fishing a drop shot. Mucho minnow. Oh, little smallie. Calm down, buddy. Little small one. Alright, you're free. I had another one too, bite it earlier. Slightly bigger than that one. Well, I guess I know what my searching bait is. Yeah, they're just honestly hitting it on the bottom. It's kind of strange for the Demiki, but I mean, if it's working, it's working. I ain't complaining. There we go, got one. It's a little bit better, but it's still small, I think. Yeah, it's still small. Could be keeper. Let's see. I hope I don't just keep catching 12s all day. All right, caught another 12-incher, a little dink, but we gotta catch a limit some kind of way. That's the second fish. Off the green pumpkin mooch minnow. Let's see if we can find any bigger ones down here. There should be some bigger ones down here. Got him. Nice. Right beside the mouth. Another keeper. Man, I'm just gonna be catching keepers all day. Well, since you're a dink, I guess you deserve the drive hole release. I had one the whole time. I don't know if he's gonna cut it, to be honest with you. But that's another one. Figuring out the pattern. I don't think he's gonna cut it. Well, that's like the fourth fish I've caught so far. But only caught 2 keepers, sadly. But man, they really want this green pumpkin mooch minnow. is hot bait right now. Got one on the crank. See if I can get him in. Nice. Alrighty guys, 1275. Moving up a little bit off the crank. Let's see if we can catch a better one. Well, all right guys, it is currently 10:41. Got roughly 3 hours left to fish in this tournament. Yeah, didn't catch the limit just yet. Only managed to get 3 on the board so far. I could have got 4 if I didn't lose that first one, but spotted bass, man, they just super crazy when they get on the board. But yeah, just gonna make my way. Hopefully I can catch the rest of my limit there. Unfortunately, couldn't catch any big ones at Deer Creek, so I'm just gonna have to settle for what I can get. And maybe come across a big one, hopefully. If not, just gonna look for that limit and call it a day. All right guys, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, finally caught a 14. Woo! Took forever to get something bigger than a 12. A couple more of those and we are good. Seems like we came across a pretty decent school. Just throwing this mooch minnow drop shot. Seems like they kind of just wanted no shaking action, just on a drag. Seems like they're really finicky today. If we can keep this up, we should be all right. Let's go, got another one. Ooh, another good size. All right, let's go. Well, we're definitely upgrading from the 12s. It's crazy because I can't even see them on the scope, so I'm basically just blind casting this. Alrighty guys, another 14. I think we already hit close to limit. Yeah, we already limit, so now we just need to cull those 12s and see if we can catch more. Yeah, seems like they're just in this cove, sitting on these coves. Just gonna keep casting the cove and see what we can get. Honestly don't know what to expect. That seems like they're shallow. I want to say 10-15 feet. Just catching on the drop shot. Got a bite already. Let go. Is he on? He's on. Damn, that was immediate. I think this guy's smaller. Let's see. Yep, small fish. Don't think it's enough to cull. Nope, it's not. Alright guys, not a cull fish, sadly. But another one on the boat. We're definitely getting more action than we did at deer. Feels pretty good. Pretty solid. And I'll use that drag. It's not that big. Oh yes, we got a cold fish. Let's go. All right guys, 14 1/4. Finally cold on 12. Slowly moving up. It's been pretty slow bite so far for me. Yeah, I'm on right now. Oh no. Yeah, I'm on. Let's go. Doesn't feel that big either. Actually, yeah, it's not bad. Hopefully it's a 14. Let's see. Come down, buddy. Twisting up my line. Oh my goodness, these spots are so crazy. Calm down, buddy. All right, 13 1/2. Not sure if it's a cold, but we're catching them right now. But it's starting to just pick up for me. Let's go. Another one. Small. Not what I'm looking for, unfortunately. Well, sadly a dink. Alrighty, it's time to go home. That's it for this tournament. Got quite a long ways to travel back, but it is time to head home. Well, alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Pretty tough, honestly. Didn't manage to catch any big fish, but still managed to catch a limit, and you know, honestly, that's all I'm looking for, especially with Pine Flat being one of my really tough lakes. Hopefully in the next trip on here, I can do a little bit better and figure out where these bigger fish are at. I believe that was my struggle today, was just trying to find those bigger fish and trying to get them to bite. Those 2 days of pre-fishing definitely did pay off as well. We were able to figure out a bite and a pattern for us. Definitely did help me to get a limit today, and you know, help me find similar areas on how I caught them and kind of replicate it. Caught a lot of my fish off the drop shot mooch minnow. I was working around 10 and 15 feet, and I believe a lot of these dinks are pushing them shallow, kind of mixed in with some of the bed fish too. So that's pretty much what I've caught them on, as well as a micro underspin with the 3-inch Kitech. But yeah, just gonna start heading home, getting my stuff ready. Gotta submit my fish, and probably head to awards and check it out and see who placed, and check out the standings as well. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my video, and if you guys haven't already, leave a like and a sub to help support the channel. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.
4th place with 5 fish at 77 inches is Mr. Gomez. 3rd place today, 78.5 inches with 5 fish, and we have all limits from this point up. Mr. Damian Tao. 2nd place with 80 inches, John Myers. 80 and a half. Went to 80. Mr. Sanchez, you can come back up.